around, but we're doing Evil Mermaid. Scary Evil Mermaids. Huh. Well, oh gosh, this is not great at all. Red mermaid tail. So today we'll be joined by my friend Kaden, guys. So this is pretty awesome. This is the first time I'm actually being joined by someone that's not just a Roblox friend of mine. Yeah, this is a real person that I am with today. Okay, what face? We have to go with the evil face. Ugh, but that's not evil face. Yeah, it doesn't take very long at all to launch. Like less than a minute. I'm already recording. I'm recording. Just so you know. Where are you?
Okay, I got it.
Yeek, guys. We're yeeks around here. New York. New York City. Pardon me. Are you Aaron Burr, sir? Pardon me. Are you Aardvark Burrito, sir? Pardon me. Are you Aardvark Burrito, sir? That depends. Who's asking? Oh, sure, sir. I'm not Alexander Hamilton. I'm not at your sir. Pardon me. Are you Aardvark Bur? Are you Burger King, sir? I'd like a Big Mac. I just do screen. It means it shows your face. Well, I decided. Okay. I didn't place. Well, looks like I got 5th place with 9 stars, and I got 12 coins.
Should I start mine?
I'd recommend starting it right when before the round starts. Well, I'm joined with another possibly future YouTuber, my friend Kaden.
Is it supposed to be just a purple screen?
That's just a glitch. Once you play the next round, it'll be fixed. It happens to me a lot.
I'm gonna start it.
Okay, I'm already online.
Hello.
Hi. Yeah, check out my YouTube channel.
We are playing Fashion Famous.
Yes, we are.
And we have to dress up like Taylor Swift.
Famous celebrity. I'm gonna dress up as myself. I have to dress up as myself. I want to be a famous celebrity. Leopard shirt to replace the leopard coat because I'll be rich if I ever become famous. If I do.
Um,
Oh.
I don't know.
I'll have extremely short hair, of course, because
Oh,
I do have short hair, and I'm gonna have to use boy hair because this whole entire world of Roblox has offended me for quite a while. Eh, I have to use this hair? Really? There really is not any better hair? I mean, there's Alexander Hamilton hair.
oh, oh my
Alexander
gosh.
Hamilton. Alexander Hamilton. No, not using that. I gotta get some girl. What am I even doing? I all of a sudden was just like this. I gotta get some good hair. Here, let me try to do my best Thomas Jefferson accent from Hamilton. France is following us to revolution. It's what I miss. What I miss. I am going to be so cute. Byron will love me. You guys will never meet Byron. Don't worry. He will never be here. I'm sad about that. He is my crush, guys.
Is it Brian?
No, Byron. It's not Brian. Too bad there's no orange cats in this game. I would have had Mango.
He's
Mango the troublemaker. You guys all know him, right? This one I'm definitely putting on YouTube. I'm definitely putting this one on YouTube. But I think my channel might get to be more random people because I'm telling my friends on Roblox about this channel, so they're gonna start watching my videos.
this is me. This is me.
Good.
I'm going to pause it now. Goodbye.
Pausing. Well, I'm gonna do the first person because I vote for all of the people. Yeah, I vote for everyone, so I record, but I don't record everybody because that'd just be a waste of time. And I'm not kidding. I actually will vote for everyone. I don't know them. Ooh, this guy does not. Is that Byron's future? Bye, guys. Guys, look at that. It's me. That's gonna be me in my future. I swear to you guys, that's what I'm gonna look like. Okay. Person and what the heck? Not votes. No. No voting for that one. Let's see the results. Will I become famous? Yeah! Yay! Guys, I will become famous one day and I will look like that. You guys know that, right? Actually, I should have had myself have blue hair. I should have. I would want to have. If we ever become YouTubers, like we should like dyed hair. I'm excited because I'm getting my hair dyed tomorrow.
Tomorrow?
Yep. Yeah, I'm getting teal and lavender streaks in my hair. Well, highlights actually. Ba da 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 da. Ooh, is this place where I am kid appropriate? Okay, guys, we are still being collected by Kate. So, yep, My YouTube channel is LucyB33 and Mango the Troublemaker. Mm. Ooh, what's the round? I didn't see the round. I look fabulous. Uh, uh, uh. I look fabulous. Do you look fabulous? Because I do. You probably do. Yeah. Good idea. Purple hair because that's beautiful. What if one round we were like twins, but we like if there was we like if like we could get galaxy stuff, and then would be my hair would be blue and yours would be purple. That's a good idea. Yeah. I always get the same hair, and it's a super cute hair. And I kind of wish I could do it in real life. Blue. Blue, I'm in love with you. You are so. If, if you're doing. Look at this. Yeah, space buns. Okay, I need to focus. I am going to. Oh, I was just gonna say I'm gonna take off my pants. don't we don't say things in front of our viewers because you never know. We could have some 2-year-old viewers. I don't know. I'm weird. I'm weird. I don't think we're gonna get 2-year-old viewers. Like I get it if we got like viewers that are our age, but 2-year-old viewers, no. 1 second. I just need to finish this round. Me too. Finished. Okay, I'll show you the first person I vote for. You will not get to see any other one of them. And at the end of the round, I will say goodbye to you guys. I might record more today. I record a lot. You don't realize this. Me first.
It's Lucy B.
I look fabulous. So you guys get to see the next one too. So yeah. Which is cat. Yeah. Who seems to have left the server? How is this?
Okay, new person.
Look, she's fabulous. Bye guys. Person. 1 star. Do you think that guy looks fabulous? Wilaza! Woo! Kaden got third. Well, guys, subscribe, like, comment, whatever. Yeah. Bye.